come near me!
Jeff!
Stop! Stop! I don't want to get sick. I don't want any of us getting sick. But you two fucking fuckers insist on touching her. And now she's bleeding all over both of you guys. So you two can fucking rot. But not me. No fucking way, not me.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Hi, nice to meet you all. I'm so glad everybody loves my sneezing video and all my boogers. I love that you're saving it. But on another note, I just want to say hi, let you know a little bit about myself. I'm a hardworking mama of 5 plus some, and I work really hard every day. And as you see, I have a GoFundMe for my house that I want and my dreams that I want to happen. And I'm gonna work every day to get these stuff that I want. I am not gonna let nobody tell me I can't no more, or tell me that's out of reach, or I'm not gonna do it, because it's gonna happen. It is gonna happen, and I hope with the help of TikTok and everybody here that we can make it happen. Please, Lord. Please, everybody. I know I just sneezed and I look like shit. Sorry. I just been working hard today and my makeup doesn't stick. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna look a little better here, y'all. I'm very tired. I am tired. My life is kicking my ass, man. All I want is a house. I can't even do my makeup. Can't even find anything. I'm just a fucking mess.
Sorry.
That's a
Anyone just having weird luck in the last 24 hours? I just got free Dunkin'. The person in front of me paid for my order. And yesterday I got paid $26 for sneezing. I don't know. It's been a weird couple days.
Without closing your eyes. Hold up. I don't mean to play you. Look at your face. When you sneeze, your eyes was open. You did it.
I did.
You look at your eyes. Look at them. She said.
Pause.
He's from Texas, I can tell by the way Achoo! Achoo!
Why so labre? It's gonna make you sneeze. It makes me sneeze every time, but it is my favorite. Like literally, this is my favorite petting ever. So I put up with the sneezing.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh, stop scared. Yeah.
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.